This is an instructional video on how to find the percent of a number. And our essential question is, what strategy helps me find percent? So what a lot of students do to find the percent of a number they use this, call it proportion, but we'll call it equivalent fractions too. Now the reason why it's out of 100 is, remember that percent means out of 100. And so I like to change percent to a fraction, and I like to just keep that symbol up there as a reminder to students that that's where that number goes. The bottom is where you put your total, because the total is 100% of it, and then the top is where you have the part, because that's whatever fractional piece of the total that we're using. So for example, let's use a strategy like that. Let's do an example. So Mr. Stewart has 40 cookies. He ate 12 of them. What percent did he eat? So I'll have students line, equal sign. You know 100 goes there. Now if I look at marking my text, 40 is my total, because that's the total number of cookies that he had. And he ate 12 of them. So the percent is the thing that we're looking for. Now if we dive back into converting numbers, what I tend to do, and what a lot of students tend to do, is they see it, you know what, I see a fraction here. Let's convert that to a decimal. So we do 12 divided by 40. So we get 0.3. And I say, you know what, so that's my decimal. Now, I found what my fractional piece is now as a decimal, but now I need to convert that decimal to a percent. So we need to multiply by 100, and we get 30%. So your answer is 30%. So that's a strategy that a lot of students tend to do when it comes to finding percent of a number. No doubt, this setup, as long as students use that, they're really going to be successful. The pieces that are most common to forget are that 100 goes down here because percent is out of 100, and so that's a piece that they tend to forget. And then what also happens is that they overlook part versus total, and so those are just some things to keep in mind as you're looking at that. But that's how you find the percent of a number.